Well, June ate too much breakfast, got a little too excited, made a mess. I know it was June because May's bowl had no food out of it and June's was completely empty. You gotta stop eating breakfast like this. If you're gonna do marathons and sprints and high workout capacities in the morning, you have to do early, light breakfast. She doesn't care. Migraines. It's not a regular headache. It's not just take a couple Tylenol or some ibuprofen and be fine. They are debilitating at best. That's what I'm dealing with today. There's different types. This one has me nauseous, dizzy, confused, slight bit of pain. Benefit is I have a prescription, so I just took that pill about 20 minutes ago, and I took a painkiller, so I'm functional. I'm slightly functional. So sunglasses inside and out. Thank goodness it's overcast and rainy today, so the sun isn't really bothering me a whole lot, but fluorescent lights are like daggers directly into the heart of my eyes. Computer screens don't love me. Loud noises are more annoying than normal. Hopefully this subsides within the next couple of hours. It's gonna be a very, very long day. And just like most days when I come home, this is how the Roomba is. So, it has an error.
Error 6. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press clean to restart.
Nothing stuck underneath it. And it was on the hardwood floor, but somehow, because it got one wheel on this black carpet, it got lost. So it runs Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. In the last 6 automated cycles, it has docked successfully one time.